welcome back to the channel. If you watched the last video, you know what we're doing. Working on the bike. Last and final mod.
Hi. Hi.
So, the last thing I need to do is get rid of those turn signals. And I got these to replace them. As always, I hope they work. They should. Simple. Super simple. I literally just have to take those ones off. These ones right here. And they're on all the time, and then they turn signals as well, which I'll show you here shortly.
Dad, I found something.
You found something?
Yep.
So
Garbage.
stand by. Alright, so literally all you have to do is take this nut off on both sides, and there's a bolt on the other side, and it'll come off. And we'll take these completely off. Put those on right there, and we'll be good to go. But yeah, I'll turn the key on so you guys can see what I was talking about, how it's gonna stay on all the time. And then also be the turn signal. So they're on right now. And with the new ones, they'll be white. And then when you hit the turn signal, they flash. Obviously. And they'll turn to amber when they flash. So I'll get some tools out and we'll get going. Alright, so here's what's in the box. They're just real small, and they actually have like a built-in zip tie and the 3M tape on the outside. Wires are tiny as heck, like always, because it's Chinese crap. Anyway, but you'll need a 10mm and an 8, but again, I don't have an 8, so let me see if this will focus. Not really. Anyway, 5/16 instead of the 8 will work. Yeah, hopefully you guys can see that. I don't know if you can or not. Crap. Alright. Alright, literally just that simple. And then, well, we gotta cut the wires. Alright, again, I'm not sure if you guys can even see, but once you get it cut off, you can slide that out, and you have room to wire the new ones in, which, yeah. I'm gonna clean this off real quick, and then, we'll get the wire and putting these new ones on, huh? Alright, so got those apart. I'm gonna strip them, wire the new ones in. I guess you guys can see a little bit. But yeah. Hopefully I can figure out what wires were here. Alright, I'm gonna do some testing real quick. I'll get back with you guys. The blue to red, green to yellow, black to black. And we got the white, and then I'll hit the turn signal right quick. Ta-da. Turn signal off. Turn signal on. Turn signal off. So I'm gonna wrap that around right here. Obviously I'm gonna make sure that it's going the right direction for the sequential thing there. And then I'm gonna wire these up the correct way. I'll check in with you guys in a few seconds. Alright, so pretty much the only thing I got left is cleaning it up. It's all wired up and it's actually on there. And it works, surprisingly. But yeah, I couldn't really show you guys too much because nowhere to put the camera. But anyway, I'll try better on the other side. So that's with just the key on, so it'll be just a running light like that was, except for cooler, and then hit the turn signal, and you got a sequential turn signal, and then back. Super happy with these. I gotta get the other one on though, so I'm gonna do that right now after I clean this up. Alright, so I told you guys there was a crap ton of wire and I didn't cut it short because I'm an idiot. But anyway, just a couple zip ties, and I wish I had black ones, but I only have white ones. A couple zip ties, and the wires are not really hanging or anything, so that works for me. Now, time for this side. Do the same thing, basically, but opposite, and it should be good. I hope. Alright, I don't know about how much of that you saw in the time lapse, but remember to pull off the piece for the tape, or 3M tape this thing, before you connect the zip tie, because it's a pain in the ass. But yeah, I got this one all wired up and put on. I didn't tidy up the wires yet. I just want to show you guys it doesn't work right. I think I just need a resistor because I now have all LEDs, where before I only had LEDs in the back. And I know with cars, then it'll hyper flash and mess stuff all up. Well, so here you can see, maybe, without that glare, they're both white. I hit the turn signal, they both come on. Turn signal off, other turn signal, they both come on. So I think I just need 2 resistors, throw one on each side, and that should be fine. It'll get rid of that, I hope. If not, let me know in the comments below if you've done this and it doesn't ever work. But I'm gonna turn the, no, I'm not gonna turn it yet. I'm gonna tidy this up. I'll get back to you guys in a second. As you guys saw, it's done. And definitely looks better than having them freaking big turn signals sticking out. But like I said, I think I need some resistors because, I mean, it's cool because it lights up literally almost all the way around here. So that's kind of cool. All the way around. It's hard to tell with the sun. But anyway, and then I hit the turn signal and it's just sequential. and that side. But I only have one turn signal on right now because this bike don't have 4-ways, which is why I think I need a resistor. Well, 2 resistors, so I'll get those ordered and put on, and then it'll be 100% done. The bike's done. That's all I wanted to do to it. You got LED headlight. Those are done. Underglow. The back rack. Yeah, well, here, let me just walk these around. I need a bigger garage. Anyway, the underglow, and then we did LED taillight / brake light because it's both. Got rid of the bulky rear turn signals and put those on. Did a fender eliminator, it doesn't hang down no more. Those are LEDs. So yeah, it's done. I don't want to do nothing else to it yet. So once I get those resistors on there, I'll probably just post on Instagram or something. I don't know if I don't really need to make a whole video on that, or I'll put it in the beginning of the next video of the bike or something like that. But yeah, that's gonna do it. If you guys like the content, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more on, well, the only thing left on this is to ride it, so I might do a motor vlog or 2. We're gonna get to this Dusty POS soon, and then we got my wife's Jeep, which I think I linked that video. If not, I'll do it now. My truck, it's a Nissan Titan, and yeah. Anyway, leave a comment down below if you have any questions or anything. See you guys in the next one. Alright, so I'm filming with my phone right now because didn't charge my GoPro, but we got a resistor on this side. I already got the other side done, and lights are on and working. So we got the left, and as you see, that side is not blinking like it was earlier. And then to the right, works just like it's supposed to. One more time, to the right, to the left, off. Heck yeah. Alright, so I am 100% done. Well, this is temporary. I just 3M taped it on there. I had zip ties on it, but it looked like crap and it would have fell off. And then here's the other side here. They're not quite equal, but whatever, it works. And like I said, it's temporary. But on this side over here, you can kind of see what I did there. And when you turn the handlebars, it doesn't. I mean, it's really, really close, but trying to turn them here for you guys and not knock my bike over, but maybe this angle so you can see the frame there. So right there is full lock. Doesn't hit. Very close, but it doesn't hit. And then, sorry, like I said, I'm filming on my phone and it's a lot different than a GoPro, but anyway. And here's this side. And right there is full lock. I don't know if you guys can see that wire right there kind of getting pinched, but I think it'll be alright. I hope it'll be alright. If not, well, I wasted my time. But anyway, they work. So that'll be when I'm just riding, not turning or nothing. And right turn signal, left turn signal. So yeah, that's it.